case it's going to be a 2019 Model 3 that I'm selling. Then I purchased this Model Y, 2021 Model Y Standard Range as a replacement.
Go to Tesla.com to your account and go to Manage. Click on Remove Car. You'll go through the steps here for transfer ownership, fill in the information of the new owner, or hit skip this step. And then you'll follow the instructions in this video how to do a factory reset.
So the first thing we're going to do is do a factory reset. Tap on the car icon, click on Service. Then you'll want to scroll up and go to Factory Reset. Okay, you'll want to log in with your Tesla account and password. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video while I enter that information. Okay, I've entered the account information, and we're going to do a factory reset. It says, are you sure you want to erase your personal information, restore settings to factory default? This cannot be undone. Note, if you're transferring ownership of this Model 3, contact Tesla to transfer mobile app access of this vehicle to the new owner. Then, we're just going to go ahead and hit reset. Looks like it's going to reboot. And we'll see what's going to happen at this point. Okay, the car is now rebooting. You can hear that it's changed the HVAC controls. Okay, as you can see, it says the factory reset is complete. Again, it's rebooting. Okay, it says if you've recently purchased this Model 3, please log into your Tesla account and start transfer ownership by going to Account, Ownership Transfer, Add Car to your account. And it's giving you a prompt to hit OK. And it just has a default profile. Okay, it looks like that's probably California. It has Tesla HQ and VMware grounds. So let's take a look. Shut down the HVAC. Now let's take a look. I bought the added rear seat option for this Standard Range Plus Model 3. It does look like they're still functioning, so that'll be a plus for a person that has purchased this. Let's take a look here. Profiles. That's good. No devices. It does look like there's change for steering mode, so that is different. Auto steer is turned off once it's factory reset. Looks like this is also set to default. It does retain the key cards. Okay, so that's active. It did read it, and it looks like it's set Pacific time. Okay. does look like the pin to drive has also been removed. So that's real good. So yeah, there you have it. That's what it looks like after a factory reset. And it's good to go. So we'll go ahead and get this transferred to the new owner. And they'll be able to claim this car as their own and set up their application and use it from there.
After the reset has been completed, you will not be recognized as the owner of this car, and the car will no longer appear under your account or your app, and you will retain Supercharger history. And then check your email for the final steps. I hope you liked this video and it was informational. If you liked it, please hit like, subscribe, and share. And look for future videos from our channel in the future.